this is an exponential equation. Let's do it together. Welcome back to my channel. This looks tricky, but we can get the answer together, right? So first things I notice is that this can be expressed all in base 2. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 39. Yes, because 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Now recall that a to the power of m raised to the power of n can also be written as a to the power of n raised to the power of m. So, excuse me, they are the same things. That means I can interchange these powers. So, doing that, I will have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x raised to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 39. Now you can see that 2 to the power of x is common. We can simplify this by saying let 2 to the power of x be equal to y. I don't know why I love y too much. Let 2 to the power of x be equal to y, and we are going to write it somewhere. 2 to the power of x is equal to y. So moving forward, we have y, right, plus y squared plus y to the power of 3 is equal to 39. Now I want to balance this side of the equation with this side of the equation. So this means that a particular number is raised to the power of 1, raised to the power of 2. The same number is also raised to the power of 3. So can we have such, and when we add them together, we get 39? Yes. Because if we have, let's write this as y plus y squared plus y to the power of 3 equals, now using 3, you can see that 3 to the power of 1 plus 3 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 3 is 39. Because 3 to the power of 1 is 3 plus 9 is 10 plus 27 is, 3 to the power of 1 is 3 plus 3 squared is 9 plus 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So what we have is 3 plus 9 is 12 and 12 plus 27 is 39. So that is it. Now moving forward, let us bring this, all of them, to this side of the equation. So this comes here, this comes here, this comes here. So now we have y minus 3, right? Plus y squared minus 3 squared plus y to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Have you subscribed to this lovely channel? If this is the first time you are coming across my videos, please do that. If not, this might be the last time you're going to see this face. Okay, so if you're actually enjoying this video, don't forget, just click the subscription button now and also turn on your notification bell so that once I upload new videos, you will be notified. Always tell us, comment what you feel about what we are doing in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about what I'm doing, any correction I need to take. I will be in the comments reading. Thank you. Now looking at this, this is difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And then the other one is also an identity. Thus, remember that a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b bracket a squared plus ab plus b squared. So moving forward, we are going to express this and this in this form. All right, so we have y, I need space now. So we have y minus 3 bracket plus bracket y squared minus 3 squared becomes this. y minus 3 into y plus 3. Plus, now this becomes this. So we're going to have y squared plus 3 times y, which is 3y, plus 3 squared. This is equal to 0. So, moving forward. Oh, I forgot to add this one for this. Permit me. Don't mind me. Humming a song. Alright, now, so we have a minus b first, that is y minus 3. Then bracket, this bracket now is continuing from here. So bracket a squared, that is y squared, plus ab plus 3y plus b squared, 3 squared. Like I said, this bracket is in connection with this, okay, is equal to 0. Now we can say that y minus 3 is common to 3 of them, right? Thank you. Sorry about that. So we have y minus 3 is common to 3 of them. So we bring out 1, y minus 3. Now, when this is divided by this, we have 1. When this is divided by this will be removed and we have y plus 3. When this is divided by this will be removed and we have this, plus y squared plus 3y plus 3 squared is equal to 0. Now I'm going to clean this so that I will have a clear model. Yeah. So this is what we have now. Moving forward, you can see that we can simplify this bracket. If we do that, we are going to have, this is going to be an interesting math question. Very interesting math question. Yes. So moving forward, we have y minus 3 bracket 1 plus 3 plus 9, because this is 9. We give us what? 13. Y plus 3y is 4y. Y squared, we have only one y squared, is equal to 0. Okay, now you can see that we have a quadratic equation there, right? But for me to clean everything, I need to have my space. Okay. So moving forward, we have y minus 3 bracket, let's arrange this well, y squared plus 4y plus 13 is equal to 0. In this one as well, I'm going to prove that the answer we got is correct. Yes. So this is why you need to watch this to the end to see how I proved that. So if you look at this, from here we can say that y minus 3 is equal to 0, and that y squared plus 4y plus 13 is also equal to 0. So from here, this we go to this side, we have y is equal to 3. From this side, let's wait first. Now remember that y, I wrote this somewhere, is equal to 2 to the power of x. That means you can write this as 2 to the power of x is equal to 3. Now you can see that x is our power, right? And the only way to bring it down is to introduce log to both sides of the equation. So we have log 2 to the power of x is equal to 3. Now remember that log a to the power of b is equal to b multiplied by log a. So this is x log 2 is equal to log 3. Sorry, I introduced log to both sides. I forgot to write log 3 here. So divide both sides by log 2. And you have that x is equal to log 3 divided by log 2. Okay? Which is equal to log 3 base 2. Yes. So our x is equal to log 3 base 2. Now for this one, for this, we need to be sure that we can get real solutions here and not complex. And the only way to determine that is to find the determinant. The determinant is the discriminant, sorry. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Our b is 4. 4 times our a is 1 and our c is 13. So by looking at this, you can see that this is just 16, but 4 times 13 is 52. So we are definitely going to get a very a negative number that is less than 0. Therefore, this place will give us no real solution. So we are neglecting that. And this means that the only value of x we are taking is log 3 base 2. So our x is log 3 base 2. Time to prove that the answer we got is correct. Are you ready? I am ready always. I am always ready. So I don't know for you, but for me, I am always ready. So let's go on and prove that our x is actually log 3 base 2. So we have 2 to the power of x, 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 plus, then this is 4, which is same thing as 2 to the power of 2. Then let's substitute our x, log 3 base 2. We are putting this because, okay, let's just put it in brackets. Then plus 8 is 2 to the power of 3. Then our x is log 3 base 2. Okay, now let's see if this is actually equal to 39. So we have 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 times this, because log a to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. Yes, when you have more than one power, you multiply them together to get one power. So we have 2 times this is 2 log 3 base 2 plus this same thing, 2 log 3, 2 raised to the power of 3 log 3 base 2. Okay, is this actually equal to 39? So we have 2 raised to the power of log 3 base 2 plus 2 raised to the power of log. Now let's bring this to this side. It will be 3 to the power of 2 base 2. And this is 2 to the power of log 3 to the power of 3 base 2. Is this equal to 39? So moving forward, we have 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 plus 2 to the power of log 9 base 2 plus 2 to the power of log 27 base 2. Is this equal to 39? Now, we are getting to the end of this video. All right. So if we do that, we have, remember that a to the power of log b base a, once this and this, once they are the same, this whole thing is equal to b. Okay, so if you look at this, you can see that we have 2 here and 2 here, the same. So that means the whole of this is 3. The whole of this is 9. And the whole of this is 27. Is equal to 39. And you can see that 39 is equal to 39. And that is the answer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, right? All right, bye.